viewers, welcome. We have a JAMB government question here. It says the chairman of the Federal Character Commission is appointed by the, okay, A says secretary to the government of the Federation, B says National Assembly, C says Minister of Labor and Productivity, and D says the President. Okay, the answer here is the President. The answer here is the President. Okay, you know the Federal Character Commission, that's the FCC, is a federal executive body established by Act 34 of 1996, okay, and is to implement and enforce the federal character principle of fairness and equity in distribution of public posts in Nigeria. You get, so that there will be no story of nepotism and all that. Okay, so in the distribution of public posts and socio-economic infrastructure among various federating units of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Okay, so and this provision of the 1999 Constitution in Section 14. Okay, okay, in Section 14, okay, established which states the establishment of the FCC, okay, for operation in a democratic system of government. So the president here, all right, is responsible for the appointment, funny enough, all right, of the chairman of the FCC. So who appoints the person is the president, and they have to make sure there is fairness and equity in the distribution of public posts among north, west, south, everyone. There's fairness. All right, so the person who appoints the chairman of FCC is the president. Okay, so thank you for staying to the end of this video. Please don't forget to get the DTW JAMB CPT app to practice more past questions. You can download it freely on Google Play Store. Okay, check out the features before you activate. All right, lovely, wonderful features. This app can work offline without internet or without data. Okay, and it's for all science, arts, and commercial subject. All your past questions in digital format on the app with correct solutions. All right, you can join our intensive JAMB online tutorials. Okay, and all links will be in the video description box of the video, or check my profile bio. Please do follow us on our channels and check our website for several other resources. You can also join our Telegram group for several free downloads, PDF. That's why I love Telegram. You can save a lot of things there that, for future references, people can download. I just recently put the audio file of the Life Changer. It's there, so you can quickly go, if you haven't read the book, just listen to the audio file to get at least the summary of the book before you get into your exam. Okay, so thank you. And finally, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, the truth, and the life, and is the one who is going to lead you to heaven at last, and also give you a life, and also, give you joy, peace, and love, and health and wealth, divine protection also here on earth. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned to DTW tutorials. Don't forget that you are destined to win in the forthcoming JAMB 2024 examination and also in life. Thank you, and see you in our next video. So sorry for the background noise. So sorry. You are blessed.